How to remove limitations from your PayPal account. So if you want to fix this issue, a limitation on your PayPal account can prevent you from sending, receiving, or even withdrawing your PayPal money. So this is really a big issue because such limitation may arise due to a lot of reasons: suspicion of fraud, right? The second thing is that regulatory compliance, high dispute rate, and usually this is a rare case if you just, your account has been limited, right? So what you have to do, so always go and access your resolution center. So you will receive mail regarding the dispute management. Here you can see your resolve issue with the buyer to help avoid costly claims and chargeback if you have this issue. Now let's go to the help section, and once we're here, then generally you have to log in and enter your account, then you will able to come up here. PayPal will provide specific instruction on what is required, what documents they need, what a verification they need to do, is there any kind of warning. So it generally happen different to different case. So I'm not sure what's your case, but this is an overall general problem. So you have to submit your proof of identity, proof of address, business registration documents. After submitting the necessary information, if they are asking more, PayPal will receive your case. The time, it's take a little bit of time depending upon the complexity of issue. Typically, you should expect a response within a few days. So always keep an eye on the email because they always interact through the email addresses. And thanks for watching this video. If you need any help, let us know in the comment box. Subscribe.